City of the Taubers. The Taubers were strange beings. They came during the Third World War when a lot of people were killed. They built a huge city and became the rulers, and they made the Nems their slaves. The city was like a huge factory, with a silver roof. The Nems had to live and work there, and they never saw the sun. Most of them did not care. But some Nems did care, Nems like Durf and his friends, Crumb and No. They wanted to escape from the city and they met to discuss it. There was a place in the city called the Center. The Nems were never allowed to go there. Durf was sure that was their weak spot and that the Taubers got their power from there. Somehow, they must break into the center and destroy the Taubers. That night, Durf couldn't sleep.
How can I get into the center? How?
In the morning,
Have to get ready for work. The same grey uniform. We have no other clothes to wear.
Durf joins all the other Nems going to work.
102, 103, 104, 104, stop.
A female Nem is seen holding a crying bundle.
You cannot take this to work. It is forbidden.
But he won't be any trouble. I can still work hard.
It is forbidden. Babies must go to the clinic. Take it away.
How I hate the Taubers.
Durf begins working at a computer. He starts feeding questions into it. But his mind is far away and he makes mistakes.
Wrong question. Cannot answer.
The computer seems quite upset. It tries to find an answer in its memory bank, but it cannot.
I don't understand this question. Please ask it in a different way.
I have never seen this before. A computer breakdown, yes. But computer ignorance, no. I must feed lots of silly questions into this computer. Why? What? Where? How? When? Which?
The computer works faster and faster and faster. It clicks and hums. But it cannot do the work. In the end, its lights go off.
I have won a victory. It is a small victory, but it's a beginning.
That night, Durf tells his friends, Crumb and No.
Tomorrow is our day to fight back. My computer will be mended. But I'll break it again. You both do the same. Other Nems will see what's happening. Maybe they will join in. We can bring the whole workshop to a standstill.
What about the Taubers? They always know everything. They'll know about this too.
Not if we act together.
It might work. Let's do it. Let's take our chance.
Next day, they go back to work, as usual.
How? Where? What? Why? Which? Who?
The computer works hard. It clicks louder and louder, but no answer comes.
Who are the Taubers?
His computer goes wild. Lights come on and go off rapidly.
Question not allowed.
Durf hears No's and Crumb's computers in the next room. They are both clicking and flashing.
Ask your machines about the Taubers. They can't answer the question.
Who are the Taubers?
All the computers are breaking down. All at once.
The Tauber on duty rings an alarm bell. Other Taubers rush in. But they just stand there and look at each other in confusion. Then they rush out. Durf follows at once. They are going to the center. He is sure of it. At the center.
What a large room. It has the largest computers. Oh, in the middle, what a giant computer. This has to be the brain of the city.
Durf runs forward to the computer and presses a button.
This computer is now ready for questions.
Who are the Taubers?
A Tauber comes up behind Durf, ready to kill him with a touch.
You can't kill me. I will make a hole in you before you can touch me.
You have opened the door in my chest. No, I can't walk.
It falls to its knees and begins crawling.
The Tobers are only machines. They aren't gods at all. They are only machines. They can be broken.
Their cry goes around the city. The Nems stop work and attack the Tobers. Soon they kill all the Tobers.
Durf is the hero of the city. We are free.
Durf is overjoyed that his people are free. But he still needs to ask some more questions.
Who were the Tobers? Where had they come from? Will they ever come back?
Robots were made by men. Robots must never kill men. Robots must.
The voice dies away. There is silence. And then, Durf understands.
We are not Nems. We are men. Men and women. As time passed, the names got mixed up, and women got treated so badly that even their names got taken away. It's all clear now. Nem is men. Tibor is robot. Before the war, people had made robots to help them. After the war, the robots took over. People became the slaves of machines. This must never happen again. We must make a new world outside this city. From now on, machines must be our slaves.